Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to do a little tutorial with you on how to create these adorable little shopping bags. And I've done up a few here that I can show you as examples. I've created them very simply, and I'm going to be packaging them up like this, and I'll get to all of that momentarily, but I just want to show you first like how you create the little bag itself. It is actually very, very simple. So you're going to take a piece of paper that is actually that's uneven on that side, so it is just trying to get a flat edge here. Let's create a flat edge. Okay, so now we can cut it to by, the measurements are right here if you want to write them down, 2 by 3 1/4, 3 3/4. There's 3 3/4. There we go. And then you're just going to score. The tutorial I found was Vagabond Crafter, and I will link her down below. She was the one who inspired me here. So 1/4 down the side, 1/4 down the other side. The center ones, you're going to do 2 and 1 3/4. And it's as simple as you've created this little grid pattern. You're just going to cut these little squares out. I'm just going to show you quickly here how to create this. So you cut these little squares out. I haven't even cut them out completely. You fold it all together on the score lines. Very easy, quick little tutorial. Move those out. You're just going to put it together, and there's your bag. I found it easier to actually just cut the ends off the bag once it was all closed. So yeah, you just put some glue on either side there. I just used like this white craft glue, and then that is ready to be decorated. To decorate it, you simply take some tulle, cut it up, stuff it in there, and I save these little bags, or I just take the handles right off of them. And what you do is you just cut a little piece of this bag, about so, and you just bend it and glue it to either side. So you can do this first, or you can do the tulle first. It didn't matter. I did it both ways. And then you're just free to decorate the little shopping bag. What I did at the end was I went and I put foam-sided tape on here, like a double foam-sided tape, so that you had a peel off back that you could just stick this to something. And I did that for these ones here. So that's the quick little tutorial. And I'm going to show you how I used my BEEBEECRAFT charms and beads from the last order that I received from them to create this fun little dangle off the side that I've got here. So it's really simple. So I've left some of these without any dangles yet. So for this one, let's pick pink here. So I'm going to take one of these pins. I've also got these from BEEBEECRAFT in a previous haul. And then I'm going to just put these little beads on. And then because this has a star here, I'm going to choose one of the stars from here, and I'm going to put another bead over the pin there, so it's looking like that. And then I am going to come in with one more. going to be the, yeah, that'll close. Okay, so then you just come in, hook it on the end, and there you have a really cute dangle hanging off the side of your package. So you can see how I've put them on the other ones. So you can put them up high so they dangle off the side. You can put them like pins there or there. You can even put it the other way. Let's do one more for this one. Should we pick green this time? This has got some green in it. It's always nice to change things up. And lucky. I wonder if there's any like 4-leaf clover type looking things. Well, I haven't used one of those yet, so let's just try that. So I'm going to again go in and put my pink on, and then I'm going to put my charm, another pink one, and then let's see if the star will fit on this one. This time, let's go in this way, a backwards way, and pin it on, and then just move it down so that it sits off the side like that. So there you go. You've got these cute little adorable shopping bags, and they have all kinds of different texture and depth and dimension. And then when I want to package this up for a pen pal, I just get one of my clear envelopes, slide it into place, and then create a little bag topper for the top. After that's sealed up, and there you have it. You have a set of handmade shopping bag embellishments with little like purse charms hanging off the side kind of a thing, and a really fun, colorful embellishment with all kinds of textures and in areas of interest. So thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in any of these products from BEEBEECRAFT, I do have a coupon code as well as a link down below to all the different products. And thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.